Let's go camping.
Sounds great.
Let's go hiking.
Sounds great.
Let's go swimming.
Sounds great.
Let's do it. Let's do it.
Sounds great.
How about tomorrow? How about this Friday? How about this Sunday? Let's go skiing.
Sorry, I can't.
How about tomorrow?
Sounds great.
Let's go shopping.
Sorry, I can't.
How about the Saturday?
Sounds great.
Let's go inline skating.